Drowning in e-commerce chaos? Let's streamline your business by connecting Shopify and Odoo for a unified management system. First, head over to your Odoo apps page and use the search bar to find the Shopify connector module. Then click Install. Once installed, navigate to your Odoo settings and locate the Shopify connector configuration section, where you'll need to enter your Shopify API credentials. To get these credentials, jump over to your Shopify admin panel and create a new private app, granting it the necessary permissions to access product, order, and inventory data. Copy the API key and password. Now, paste your Shopify API key and password into the corresponding fields within the Odoo Shopify connector configuration. Next, configure your product catalog synchronization settings to ensure your product information is consistent across both platforms. Choose whether to import, export, or bidirectionally sync your products. With your products synchronized, you can now manage your Shopify orders directly from Odoo's order management dashboard, streamlining fulfillment and tracking. Finally, reconcile your inventory between Shopify and Odoo to maintain accurate stock levels and prevent overselling, creating a truly unified e-commerce management system.